Check out this new tour by Shaun J. Parker and his team of experts. For more information, call or text 6098-644825. Welcome to this stunning home. Nestled on a scenic lot with resort-style backyard living featuring a large in-ground pool. Summer fun awaits. Take a dip, have dinner under the maintenance-free covered patio, toast marshmallows around the fire pit. The yard features sprinklers front and back, exterior lighting, tiered patio/decking, hardscape and extensive landscaping. Enter the home through the spacious foyer. The formal living room and dining room, both recently painted, offer hardwood flooring, and upgraded molding and plenty of light from the Anderson windows features throughout the home. The living room opens to a beautiful family room with masonry fireplace, hardwood floors and sliding door leading to your exterior living space. The beautiful kitchen overlooks the family room as well as the backyard. Features include granite countertops, subway tile work, kitchen island, full appliance package, Anderson bay window, pantry and much more. The laundry/mud room has a separate entryway, ceramic floor and plenty of cabinets. The primary bedroom offers renovated bathroom, and walk-in closet. Notice the tile work and spa shower feature. 3 other bedrooms and full bath complete the second floor. Finished basement has 3 large rooms perfect for den, game or office space. Finally, the property boasts a shed with electricity, and extra driveway space for an RV or boat. And gas hookup available.